How to make custom mugs to sell on Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make custom mugs to sell on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores with ease, in which it offers a flexible and customizable solution for creating an online store with features like customizable themes, AI-powered tools to help get more done, and access to millions of mobile shoppers on the Shop app. And Shopify's core product includes an online store with customizable templates, tools to sell across channels, and a fast, secure checkout and built-in marketing features. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, then you will be directed on this page where you can start creating your account using your email address, Apple ID, Facebook, or even using your Google account. After signing in, you will be directed on this page or on this Shopify dashboard, where it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with your home, orders, products, customers, content, and many more. And now to make a custom mugs, we're going to use an application, so just go to this app section and kindly click this one, apps and sales channels. Then click the Shopify App Store button. Then you will be directed on this page in which you can simply enter here on the search bar the application called T in Blue. Or you can simply click this one on the result, then you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the overview about this application, and just proceed by simply clicking the install button right here. But as you can see, I've now already installed this application, so it is now currently open button in here. And upon installing this, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can now start creating a custom mugs, but start navigating on the left side panel some of the options with your home, orders, bulk fulfill, and many more. And now to start, the first thing that we need to do is simply go to this product-based option on the left side panel. And on the top panel, it will show you that you can start creating a manually. But clicking this add manual, from here it will show you that all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including the product title and even the fulfillment provider in here, in which all you need to do is to simply choose in here. And I'm going to choose this Printify. Then below you can simply proceed by filling out the description and many more. However, on the other hand, you could also go back on this page and click import product in here. Then just proceed by simply clicking or selecting this Printify, and on the search bar, kindly enter here the mugs. And it will show you below here some of the result, and let's say in those options, I'm going to choose to use this one, colorful mugs 11 ounce. And by clicking this import button right here, it will show us on this pop-up window that we need to select a print provider, and after that, just click the import button below to proceed. And after importing, you'll now be able to see here on the list of your product pieces. And to customize the details a bit, by clicking this one, we will be directed on this page where we can start editing the product title and the whole product description in here. However, from here to start adding the prices, all you need to do is to simply scroll down, and from here, under these prices, just simply fill out all of this price section. And in all of this variation, I'm going to enter here the amount of $15. And after customizing or adding the price, we can now proceed by going to the next step, which is by creating an artworks or the design that will add or printed to our mugs or mug cup by clicking this artworks on the left side panel. And from here, you can simply click this new artwork button, and it will show you in here that you can simply enter here your name. And let's say I'm going to enter here mugs design, and also the category that you prefer. Well, below under artwork size, you can simply choose to use the custom size or this import print area size. Then below, just simply select the imported mugs that we just imported. And after that, just proceed by simply clicking the save button below to proceed. And after that, from here, all we need to do is to simply customize by adding the image in here on the left side panel and simply choosing the right image in here. But I'm going to choose the selected image that I just uploaded on my computer files. By clicking the select button below, we'll automatically be directed on this page where the design has now been uploaded. So we can simply change the location and even the sizes of this design, and even add a context by clicking this text on the left side panel and click this icon in order to edit or customize this context. And as you can see, I just add here a context, lives goes on. While on the top panel, you could also start customizing the size of it, the color of this text, and even the font size or font style of this context. And if you're now done, we can now proceed by adding the next image by going back on this page and click this image again. I'm going to select this one, and from here, just simply crop the image or resize it in order to fit it in this section or design. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner. And after that, we will be directed on this page again. And after creating an artworks, the next thing that we need to do is to simply create a campaigns. By clicking this campaigns button on the left side panel, just click this by product base. Then click new campaign button on the top right corner and just enter here the campaign title. Then proceed by clicking the save button below to proceed. As you can see, I just enter here my mugs. Then from here, under available products, kindly select the product of the mugs. While under select artwork, from here just simply select the artwork that we just customized earlier. And it will now show you what it looks like or what the product looks like or the mockup of it. And if you want to customize this one since it has no design on it, you can simply click or upload a mockup in here that you prefer. And for instance, I'm going to enter here or upload an images of mugs in here. Upon uploading, you'll now be able to see here that the images is now been added. Then you will be directed in here in which you can start editing or customizing your mockups in here by clicking this add print area. It will show you that you can simply add here your artworks, and after that, you can simply also to change or crop these images in order to fit in this mug. And to start customizing this one, just click on the left side panel under print area options, this enable mask. And after that, just click this edit mask button after selecting or after changing the position of this design. And by clicking this, we will now be able to be directed in here where we can start changing or cropping the whole design in here to fit on this mug. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes. Then you will be directed on this page where it will show in here what it looks like. So we've now successfully created here a mop-up of mugs. Well, for these other images, we're going to click this icon in order to be directed on this page, where we could also start editing this one by doing the same process by clicking this add print area and selecting the design. And also resizing this design, and we can simply replace or change the location of it before clicking enable mask on the left side panel. And after that, just click this edit mask. And after cropping these images, we can now proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner. And from here, it will show you what it looks like. And as you can see, we've now successfully created here a two mockups for these mugs. So both of these mugs are actually customizable depending on the design that you just input. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the launch button on the top right corner in order to start publishing these mugs or custom mugs product on our Shopify online store. And by clicking this one, it will show us on this pop-up window the step process that we need to activate this application in order to upload or publish this product to our online store. But overall, that is just basically how you can make custom mugs to sell on Shopify. Thank you.